Where's Danny? Your face is all covered in snow.
That was fun.
Could you breathe?
Let's go, yo. Trying to convince me that I'm running on empty, trying to convince themselves that their record with Jay was a fluke, that the record that I'm making is a mistake, and I can't take this. Let me tell you where I'm at with this. You bastards are gonna have to take back that shit. I'm not plastic and fake. When I make tracks, I take facts and lay them out for the masses. You assholes are gonna see soon that I'm not playing, and start asking me the names that I'm not saying.
Wow.
But I'm trying to be bigger than the bickering, bigger than the petty name calling, under the breath talking, rumors and labels and categorization. I'm like a struggling doctor, no patience. But you can say what you want about me, keep talking while I'm walking away.
You can say what you have to say, cause my mind's made up anyway. I'm taking the high road, going above you. This is the last time that I'm gonna trust you. You can say what you have to say, cause my mind's made up anyway. All that bullshit you talk might work a lot, but it's not gonna work today.
You people are right.
Oh, fuck.
Walking out of the door, I'm on my way. Can you tell me just where I'm going? Occupational skills, would you give me a clue what to do? Cause my mind's in motion. Just trying to relax, to find myself on the couch with big plans, but there's always tomorrow. Is something wrong with me? Oh, where I'm thinking, come on, and tell me why you're staring. Come on, it must be what I'm wearing. Come on, and tell me why does it take us so long for you to recognize and stop?
Ooh, that's...
To the bar, does no money go far? Can you show me just how to spend it?
Yeah!
Moving around, I like the sound. To find myself looking pretty stupid. If I had a guess, she's a heel and a dress. I better slow my drinking down. If I don't get it together tonight, they gotta run me out of town.
Oh, shit.
Come